Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to implement the chats functionality so users will be able to chat with each other. We are going to use the chatify package. This is one of the popular packages used to integrate the chatting functionality between users in Laravel. So this is like a Laravel package, and here we can visit their GitHub as well, and here we can see the documentation, and I will provide this link is in the descriptions as well. As you can see, this is the documentation link in which I am currently in. So as you can see, a recent comments as well 3 weeks ago. So in order to install that, we have to like if we come to documentation, we can install that by using composer. So I'm gonna come here. Also, I asked ChatGPT about that, so here we have the command as well. So I'm going to copy that and come here and install that. So composer require and then the author name and then chatify package. Check the spelling. Okay. Let's copy that from the documentations instead. So installation, and it asks that you will have to like have an Posher account and at settings, and then the package uses Posher API, so you need to have that in the. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's execute this command, and then we are going to um, like go ahead and create a Posher account. I'm gonna go to posher.com and create an account and um, get the API key and those kind of stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. All right, so all you need is to go ahead and register on Poshoro.com, and then go ahead and on the home page you have to create an application or channel, and then you will be directed to this page where you can find the API's key. So generate an application, get the keys, and put that in the env file. In Laravel, you might know, like in the env file by default we have those values. Like as you can see here, we have the Posher default values, but we have to replace the assign the values that we will get from the Posher website. So you will have to put that, and it's still loading. We can check the documentation. So I'm gonna go to chatify. Then we will need to execute php artisan chatify install command, and this is going to automatically do something, and then we will have to do some configuration, migrate the migrations, use chatify, and use this thing, and then customization APIs and those kind of stuff. So let's wait for this to complete, and then we will come to this. All right, so that is done. Now I'm gonna paste the not this one. So now we can execute the Chatify install. So I'm gonna copy that, come here and paste it. It's going to install the things for me, and now then we can execute the migrate, and I'm gonna paste that. And after this app config only for Laravel version of this, so we don't have to do that. Let's come to the configuration and let's see what are the configurations that we can do. So if we go to chatify.php, that is inside the config directory. So I'm gonna go to chatify. Let's see, I'm gonna go to config chatify.php, and here we have the chatify name. So we can call our own variable name, as we have like the host name or the application name, so we can use that, as well as we can use the config app.name and format that, have single quote. So this is going to be like connect me messenger, and then we have the disk storage. So by default the public is fine. Then we have different routes, so chatify I think prefix. So chatify I think that would be fine. Like if you visit the URL, it's going to show that. So we can call it chat, but let's say That is fine. Now as you can see here, we have the debug as true, API key we copied from the pusher, and then we have some avatars. We will see that in the UI, and achievements and stuff like that, colors, sounds, and those things. So what should we do next? Then disk storage, as you can see, they are talking about those things. We can like customize these. Then we have pusher configuration, avatar configurations, and then gravatar. We don't need that, I think. And then attachments, no need to that. And then we have messenger colors and notification sounds. And after that, we can go to the customization. We have config views and those things. But how, like, what is the route which will allow me to access that? Um, Provider, I think this is done automatically. Let's see what is the name of the route. So if I visit Chatify from here, let's say Chatify, and let's see what it's going to return. As you can see, the connect me messenger. Here we will have the users that are going to like chat, and then here we can save the like send a message to ourselves as well. Say hello dude, hit enter. It's going to send that, and this is 1 second ago. So let's check the documentation and see how do we have our demo as well. We can try that out as well. And this is the author one of Mehdi or something. Sorry if I pronounce the name not wrong, and you will have to give a star to this person as well, because it's like he did a great job to like manage this. This person also has a um, what is it called, the Discord group. He shared like updates about this package. If you want to contribute, you might do that as well. As you can see, used by contributors. So yeah, let's see the demo. This is a demo application published 3 weeks ago. You have to install it, npm install, then do this in that. But how do I like chat the specific person? Do I have to pass user ID or what? So I'm gonna go to my application, and let's say I'm gonna type something. If I can return something, it's not gonna return anything. um, let's see, we can update our avatar, upload a new, let's say this thing, and save changes. It's going to store that in the database and um, return that right here. So as you can see, it's updated, and here we have the message that we just sent. But I want to know, how do we like chat with someone? Upgrading notes, GitHub. Let's ask Uncle Google, and we can how to chat with someone in Chatify, and ask ChatGPT as well. And we can explore that. How to communicate better? No, that one. Charity. Chatify. Chatify in Laravel. So chat in Laravel. Package demo. Unable to open chat in simple, using Chatify, GitHub Chatify, real-time chatter. Let's see how these guys have done this thing. ChatGPT is saying you have to list somebody. What? Using Chatify, you will need to create a conversation and then post. You will have to do that, create a conversation with another user, find that user, and can I directly pass the user ID? Okay, so if I pass 100, is it going to return that user with the chat? Let's see. What is the name of this user? Say hi and start hello. Yeah, but what is the name of this user? Let's say Pepti. Mm, let's say hello. It's going to send that, but how do I know? Like, what is the name of this user and who is this user? We need to figure that out. So Laravel new project start and push our things and credential stuff and authenticate the user, making out, and then increment this migration, then some user models things. We have the chat connector and message redirect to slash, and I don't see anything interesting. Creating a chat F view, create a view, but how do you chat with a specific person on Chatify? That is the thing we have to figure out. Mm, View components, broadcasting messages. We know that now Chatify is doing that automatically. No need to mention that in the blog. So I think this they haven't mentioned anything here. Messenger mix size configuration API. Um, they have a postman collection for that. And here, as you can see, like if I go to Chatify, I think we have to change that to chat, and then call this chat in the home. I think that is called left navigation. I'm gonna go there, and I'm gonna remove the one. So I'm gonna search for chat. Here we have that, and this is gonna be pointing toward the I think if we have a route Chatify, as you can see, and I'm gonna remove the analytics. We don't need that. And here, as you can see, they are showing the count of here. They're showing the count of messages that you have received. So I'm gonna remove that because we don't have to integrate that. I'm gonna explore that section as well. Like to figure out how do we chat with a specific person, how to chat with um, specific someone, specific person, someone. And to ask that to ChatGPT as well. To chat with someone, you have to do something, and that is what we have to find, right? Special um, chat chat and demo. Okay, we have error here. So what is not defined? Okay, so this is going to be pointing toward the URL, and that is chat. We can, like, if I come here, as you can see here, they are like, this is the Chatify route prefix, right? So we can set this in env file as well, and then calling that from there and setting that. But in this case, as like most of the time, the slash chat is going to be pointing to the um, chatting, so we don't have to configure that. Like, we can add, but I'm not gonna do that. So now if I click on that, it's going to redirect me to slash chat, and here I can like chat with people, and here I send one message, right? Is it still here or gone? Yeah, it's still there 7 minutes ago. But how do I chat with other persons? So features, um, new message, then here we have chat layout ID, include chatify, chat. If I like, let's see the answer. chat with a specific person using Chatify in Laravel, you will need to create a conversation with that person. First, here how you can do that: create a conversation with the specific person, and what conversation create. But like if I type anything here, let's say 111, it's gonna like show the user kind of thing. Not one, let's say one, ID one. This is the user ID, right? Okay, as you can see, like it does shows that user. I can send some message, but the problem is like it's not like listed here by request space gonna be gone, so which is not which is not good. So how do I find I can start, I'll read this as well, and if I search something, nothing. Maybe we can check the database. I'm going to open up the private window and go ahead and like start another like log in with another user or create another user. So let's do that. I'm going to register. Let's do one thing. Let's log out from here because it's easy just to enter the credentials and log in. And here I'm going to use Packfiller to create and go home. And here I'm going to log in. The password we have updated 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Log in here, and here I'm going to log out and create another account. I think we can add a logout button here. We don't have to go to settings and have to log out, but that is something we can do as well. So I'm gonna register another account. I'm gonna go to register, then using Packfiller, and let's say email, and choose some profile image. So let's say this one for now. Password is password with $sign. We copy that, come here and paste. No, it's not. I know the password, so I'm gonna register. Now it's gonna ask for like confirmation, those things, but I'm gonna automate that. I don't need to verify. By the way, if you go to laravel.log, if I search for Laravel log file, the email is going to be like sent over there, and in this case it's not because we are using the temp mail. So I'm going to comment the middleware things for now. Email, where is the middleware? I'm going to go to http middlewares and verify user middleware. I'm going to comment everything so that we have some like save time. I'm going to go to the home route and go ahead and click on chat, and here I'm going to click on chat as well and click here, and let's see if we can find any users to chat with. So I'm going to search for a user that we just have already created, Tauseed, Zaman. It's not going to find it. Okay, we have some error, I think. Initialize connected, transport, new socket, internal server. Let's see. I think I'm gonna leave that for now, because here you can see one user. I think this is the one that we chatted before, one user. And if I chat with that user, which is 101, let's see if this is going to send a chat message to that user. What? Not found. Chat slash 101. 101 is this user. So I'm gonna send some message. So this is going to let me send a message. Let's say hello dude. I hit enter. Yeah, it's sent. And I think I received it. Not this one. It's loading a lot some time. um if I go to, let's say, 102, don't know what is the ID of this one. I can find that out by clicking on this thing. It's going to show me, and which is that one. As you can see here, we figured it out. This is this user, and I can, like, here we got the message, and let's say hello from Zaman. And here, if I'm not on active, let's say I'm not active on this page, and I'm sending a message, I can add emojis as well. Let's say if I click uh, this emoji and hit enter, and yeah, it's sent. So yeah, as you can see, it's create a sound as well, the default sound that we that is specified over there. And here we got the message, and we have everything, like I can reply to that person and things like that, as you can see. So yeah, that is the chain functionality. But now, as you see, like, the thing is, if I, like, go to some specific user profile, I should be able to chat with that in that section. So that is something we can add at that. And some other features are still left, so we will implement that in the next video. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.